Hi, Melissa. What's my verdict? It's not crawling. Army crawling at 9 months is not crawling. I'll give it to a baby that's, doing locomotion around 6 months, rolling to their belly, trying to do a creep here and there. Couple of things why. First of all, she did not come to sitting through her back. She rolls to her belly. She's not catching air. At this stage now, she should be going up and over pillows and starting to reach for the couch, right? She can't do that when she's on the floor. Like, the couch is way up there. She needs to be on all fours. What will be happening is that she's sitting, right? And sorry, it's my rubber doll, but she would be sitting, first of all, coming to sitting, through the side, right? Coming to sitting, being up there, and then from there, in both directions, I can go into all fours. I can tell you right now, she's here, she's rolling over, and then she's trying to do a crawl. But what she's also doing is right leg. So there's an asymmetry in there. I get it. She's smart as a whip. I am not worried about your cognitive development for your child. She's a smart little cookie. She has social interactions where she's doing it like, look, Mom, look at me, I'm going. She needs help. This is not optimal. She's missing some key milestones, possibly grabbing the feet, pubic bone strike, but she needs to start catching air. She's at 9 months, and she's going to, like I said, she'd be going like crawling over you, and really like going into a pre-stand, starting to reach for the crouch. And also what should be happening at this stage is when she's crawling on all fours at 9 months, she's able to reach over and cross midline. When you're down here, there's none of that, right? She needs to be up on all fours. And so the crawling course would be the way to go with that, or getting into the child support program, because my pubic bone and the coming to sitting course are in the support program. Thanks.